like to prepare together with you one of the most famous Italian dish outside of Italy, mushroom risotto. The first step, we are going to prepare a stock. The ingredient for the mushroom stock in this case is water, dry mushroom. I've used all these mushroom leftover and trimming, shallot, celery, carrot, garlic and thyme leaves. Second step, we are preparing the mushroom base for our risotto, a nice mushroom ragu. And we are going to use some mixed mushroom. In this case, I found at the supermarket button mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and shimeji mushroom with shallot, garlic, and we are going to shunt the sauce with a little bit of white wine. And then lastly, we are going to add some fresh herbs. Last step and the final step of our mushroom risotto recipe, we are going to cook the risotto itself. So we have Italian quality rice. You can use carnaroli rice or arborio or bialone. In this case is carnaroli. Some butter, and then shaved or grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to add into the water all our ingredients. So we have around 30 grams of dry mushroom, carrot, garlic clove, 3 shallot. Once all the ingredients are inside the water, we cover up with the lid our pot and we let it boil for around 20 to 30 minutes. We proceed now with the making of the mushroom ragu. I place the pan on medium-high heat, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. So I proceed with all the mushroom. I put at once, and I'm going to literally fry the mushroom for around 2 minutes. Add the wine. I can start now to season my mushroom ragu. A pinch of salt, ground black pepper, and we add our herbs. So parsley, chives, thyme leaves. Our mushroom ragu or mushroom sauce is ready. You see the mushroom has kept their color, they are white and nice, and we take this sauce and we set aside. So now that we have the stock is ready, we have our mushroom ragu ready, it's it time to start to cook the rice. So I place a pot on medium heat fire and I put the rice inside straight away. Proceeding with adding stock to the rice. So the rice will be cooking for around 20 minutes, and slowly by slowly you check the rice cooking, and you check if it gets dry, you keep adding more stock. So covering the rice up again. When we are about 18 minutes that the risotto is cooking, you see the amount of water that should be left on the rice. So I'm going to add after 18 minutes the mushroom ragu. And then we keep cooking for the remaining 2 minutes. So the risotto has been cooking for 20 minutes. You see it has almost 3 times the volume that was before, and proceed with adding first the butter. We are starting to get this beautiful silky emulsion of the mushroom stock and the butter. So once the butter is completely melted, I start to add the parmesan. So now the parmesan is melting and is making our risotto beautifully creamy. Now is the time to season the risotto. Black pepper, a couple of pinch of salt. So we are ready to plate up our risotto. It is extremely creamy and silky smooth texture, ready to be enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe that we did together, and I look forward to welcome you at Mandarin Oriental Singapore. for one of our restaurants, Cherry Garden, Mo Bar, Dolce Vita or Mercafe.